Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Fun Science Demos. We're back with another design challenge. The big idea today is that when scientists change something to make it better, most of the time they only change one thing at a time. So we need something to make better. Let's take a look at our setup. We are going to be launching a bottle cap or a cork using science. And we're going to try and make it better. We're going to try and get it to go further. So let's take a look at our setup. Now I said we're going to be launching something, so we need a launch pad. And our launch pad is nothing more than some plastic tubing that I just fit together. It's important that I can move everything because that's going to be one of the things we're going to change to see if we can make it better. So we have our launch pad, and I have my plastic test tube, and I have my bottle cap, or I have my cork. But how are we going to launch it? To launch this bottle cap, all I'm going to need is some water and some fizzy tabs. Now remember, I said scientists usually change one thing to make it better. In this test, the one thing I'm going to change is the amount of water. We're going to start with a lot of water and see how that works. But first, I need to slide down these safety glasses just to make sure I'm safe. Let's add. You can see, I don't know if you can barely see it, but the water's close to the top. What I'm going to need to do then is drop in my fizzy tab. It won't fit, so I'm going to have to snap it in half. We're going to drop it in and see what kind of results we get for our first launch. No sense in counting down because I have no idea when this is going to launch. I can see something happening. That was an amazing first launch. It shot up, hit the ceiling, came down, and hit me in the head. I'm going to need a hard hat next time. Now that was a fun launch, but how do I tell if I make it better? Well, to do that, I need to measure. And measurement is a key to see if we really did make it better. I love using this design challenge with my students because they can test so many other things, one thing at a time. They can test the angle at which we launch. They can test how much liquid we put in. They can test the temperature of the liquid we put in. They can test how much of a fizzy tab do we put in. They can even test different kinds of liquids, things like vinegar, peroxide. They can mix those things together and get exact measurements. Measurement is key. They can test so many different things, one at a time, and see if they can improve on how far their bottle cap launches. And have so much fun doing it. Sometimes they don't even realize that they're designing and engineering and measuring and doing science. It's really cool. If you'd like to learn more about the materials we used for our setup, check out our link in the video description or email our channel directly. Science is so cool. Thanks for watching.